So you have the will admitted to probate. You received your letters testamentary, or maybe this is an intestate case, and so now you have your letters of administration. What's the next step? Well, my friend, the work has just begun. You thought that you were working before. Now the real work has to begin, and this is where the rubber meets the road. So now that you've received your letters, you have to go out and inventory all of the assets. You now have to go out, collect the asset, review the assets. Maybe you have to appraise the assets. But your primary job during this time is to know what's in the estate. This may mean you have to go to the banks, you have to go to the brokerages, you have to go visit the property, you have to go get those keys from whoever has them. Maybe there's a management company, you name it. You're now it, my friend. You are Mr. Collector, Mr. Recorder, or Mrs. Collector, Miss Recorder. But your primary job is to know what's in the estate. Step 2, you have to now know who the debtors of the estate are. Who does the estate owe money? And in what order do you have to pay back these debts? And do you really have to pay back these debts at all? To the extent that there are debts, you are now having to look at who are the secured creditors. So these are your mortgage companies. These are the companies that secured the loan on a car, on a piece of land, you name it. Creditors that are secured need to be made whole first. And so now you have to think about how you're going to pay those debts. Once you've paid those debts, then you look at the unsecured creditors and you go down the line. One thing that I know that you haven't heard me say is to make any distributions to beneficiaries. You do not make distributions to beneficiaries until the debts have been resolved. With one caveat, if you do have a spouse and that spouse did reach out to the court for maintenance or something like that, and you do have a court order where there's court-ordered assistance for the spouse or the minor children, then that would have to be addressed up front. But outside of that, the debts have to be paid, the funeral expenses have to be paid, the taxes have to be paid before any distributions to any heirs. So don't be bullied into giving so-and-so his 1/2 share because the estate has enough money. Don't do it, because you, my friend, may find yourself personally responsible for paying those debts. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to pay for something that I did not owe. My name is Megan Truick, and if you need help with will administration or trust administration, please feel free to reach out to us here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan. And if you like videos like this, go ahead, click the like button, comment on these videos. In fact, subscribe to our channel so that you will get first look at the videos that we create. Because the reason we do this is for you. Because here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we treat you like family, and oftentimes even better. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link and let's get learning together.